Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's class we'll be doing a worksheet on present perfect tense. This is one of the most attractive worksheets to my knowledge because it interests especially the children to work better with some drawings and then knowing about the action and writing the answers. So let's get started. As I've told you, one of the use of the present perfect tense, one of the use of the present perfect tense is that some action has been done in the past and the result is now. So as in the first example, their shoes, their unpolished shoes, and the action took place, he polished it, and the result is that he has he has cleaned his shoes. So the result is he has got clean shoes now. Now he was closing the door and now the door is closed, so she has closed the door, something that has been done and the result is in the present. Okay, two people are watching TV and then they are going to bed. Okay, so how will you frame this? So they were watching TV, now they have gone to bed. They have gone to bed. See the next one. It's tree and it is raining, but now somehow it's sunny. It has stopped raining. तो क्या हो जाएगा? It has stopped raining. You have to make these pictures to make it look more understanding and attractive. Okay, the boy was bathing. Now he's combing his hair. So what will be the one of the best option here? Okay, he had a bath, so he had done something that he was doing in the past. So he is playing on a laptop. The boy is playing on a laptop or computer, and now he is having and now he had fell down. Operating laptop, he had fell down. So what will be the answer? The computer or the laptop has fallen down. Now in these you have to put the correct form of verbs from these lists. Can I have this newspaper? Yes, I finished with it. Yes, I finished it means yes, I finished reading with the newspaper. I dash some new shoes. Do you want to see them? I have buy, मैंने खरीदे तो I के साथ have आता है. I have bought some new shoes. BOUGHT. Where is Liz? She maybe she बाहर गई है तो she has gone out. She's gone out. I'm looking for Paula. Dash you dash her. तो क्या हो जाएगा? Have you के साथ have आएगा. तुमने उसको देखा है. Have you seen her? Look, somebody has dash the window. तो somebody has broken the window. Maybe somebody's broken the window, maybe the glasses of that window. Does Lisa know that you are going away? Does Lisa know that you are going away? Yes, मैंने उसको बताया कि I am going away. तो tell का क्या हो जाएगा? Told. Yes, I have told her. I can't find my umbrella. I can't find my umbrella. Somebody dash it. Somebody has taken it. Maybe that's why I'm not able to see. So somebody has taken it. I'm looking for Sarah. Where has she gone हो सकता है. 2 बार go आया. Where has she gone? Where has she been option नहीं है, इसलिए हम करेंगे gone. Where has she gone? I know that woman, but I dash her name. But I have not known her name. Okay, Sue is having a party tonight. She dash a lot of people. Okay, यहाँ पर let us see an option. She has seen a lot of people. Where are you? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? Have you decided it? Have you decided it? Okay. Where are my glasses? I don't know. I don't know. I dashed them. I have taken them maybe. And in the ninth one, for example, I don't know that woman, but dash her name. So I know that woman, but I've forgotten her name. This can also be the answer. Both of them can be the answers. Answer can be just depending upon the imagination, not the one that is used once cannot be used again. So it depends upon the imagination. Okay, it should be applicable. It should be right. So yes, guys, that was all for today's lecture. I hope you enjoyed this worksheet. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Love you all.